Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a supplier or a dropshipper to your store. Now this feature is very useful, especially if you have suppliers who can fulfill the orders for you, which means when an order comes in, the store will notify the supplier via email, and the supplier will log in via account details which you create for him. He'll log into the store, he can print the packing slip, and he can, after shipping out the order, he can log in again and update the order tracking. Alright, so let me show you how to add the supplier to your store. Okay, first thing you gotta do is log into your store, right? And then you go to products. Now you want to activate this feature first, so you want to click the deactivate supplier link, right? Okay, make sure activate supplier has been selected. Okay, then go back to products and click the manage supplier link, because now you want to add suppliers. So you got to click the add supplier button here and populate all the fields. All right, and then click add supplier for. I'm going to show you what an example, okay, of using what I've already created earlier. I'm going to modify this. Okay, so this is the name of the fake company in the email and so on, right? And then you make sure to check the automatically send order email option. All right, so this way when an order comes in, the store automatically sends out the notification email to the supplier. All right, so the next thing you want to do is go to products. You got to make sure you assign the products to the respective suppliers. Okay, products, manage products. In this case, it's going to be this product. I'm just going to show you where to select the supplier from. Okay, click modify product, scroll down just a bit. All right, just after inventory control, you'll see drop shipping multiple suppliers. Okay, in this case, it's been assigned to bulk paint supplies, right? Okay, if you yourself are supplying the products, then you just click none. Okay, or in this case, if you yourself are shipping out the order, fulfilling the orders. Okay, right, but in this case it's for bulk paint supplies. If this is new, you want to click modify, and then you want to click publish. Okay, right, so when an order comes in and it's approved, all right, usually if you use the a payment gateway and so on, it will take care of the transaction for you, so automatically be approved, and it will come under order received and processing. Once it's sent out, it will change to order sent. I'll show you later. Okay, so let's check this order. Yeah, this is the product, right, assigned to bulk paint supplies. Okay, as you can see, it's still under processing. So bulk paint has been notified. How do I know? Well, we'll check the email. This is the email we'll receive. Okay, right, he's been notified, if I'm not mistaken, 152. This is the one, right? This is the later one. Okay, so once he receives this, he'll go to your store and log in. Okay, now you can add the login link for suppliers at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. In this case, for this sample store, it's at the bottom. It says here supplier login, right? Supplier underscore login.cfm. I'm gonna key in his password here. I hope I can remember it. Okay, is it correct? View orders. Yes, I'm in. Okay, you can filter. That means you can search for the order here using this filter. Okay, so 152, order 152. You can print the packing slip directly from here, but let's just click this to get in to view the details, right? So order ID, when it came in, still in processing. Okay, shipping by ship box, paid, yes. Okay, all right. Okay, total order, total quantity 1, and these are the shipping details. So as a supplier, he'll need to take note of this. Okay, then he'll need to print the packing slip. Okay, if he wants to, he clicks the packing slip. Okay, then he goes and sends out the product. Okay, goes to the shipping company, gets the tracking number, gets the estimated time of arrival or date of arrival, and he'll come back to the store, log in again, and he'll update order tracking. So here's the order tracking, right? So let's say he sends out on the 17th, right? May 2023, maybe received on the 21st, and May 2023. I can just use the shortcut here. So he can select the shipping method from this list. Okay, if it's not on the list, he can specify. Okay, just state ABC shipping, whatever, right? You know. So in this case, maybe FedEx ground, right? Yeah, tracking number. This is just an example. Notes, you can type in notes here. This is what the customer will be able to see, but usually it's just left blank. Then you change it to sent because it's already been sent out. And internal order status, this has been you and the supplier, right? And the supplier will then check this email, check this to send, right? Once the other update order is clicked, right, this email will be sent to the customer to notify the customer of the estimated date of arrival and also the tracking number. Okay, so I'm just going to click this. Okay, right? Okay, so now we go back to the store. I'll show you something. Now we go to the store. I'm going to change it. Look at once I've refreshed this, the status has been changed to sent because the supplier has already updated. The supplier cannot view anything else in the store, only that information. Okay, anything others will be blocked. All right, so please give this a try, and I'll see you in the next video.